By the end of this course, you're going to know how to go start to finish building a fully functional SaaS app. I've created SaaS products with real users, including BlogFox, Cartoons.app, ConferenceTap, and more. I've spent hundreds of hours learning the hard way through trial and error, the best way to work with these AI tools, and then the best practices for integrating with services like Stripe, OpenAI, and other APIs. And I teach you everything that I know so you can skip all of the hard work and trial and error of making mistakes and go straight to building your first SaaS product within hours. You'll learn how to integrate features like Stripe so you can accept payments and subscriptions. We're going to integrate Supabase for a backend and also user authentication so users can sign in, and then we can save data about users in our backend database. And we're going to integrate with AI APIs such as OpenAI so we can add AI functionality to our SaaS apps. We're going to cover how to build in tools like Lovable, as well as AI coding tools like Cursor and Windsurf. These are the latest AI coding tools that are going to give you the knowledge to build any type of SaaS product that you can think of. We're even going to cover how to sync your code to GitHub and deploy your app to the web using Vercel. These are all the most modern and popular coding tools that developers are using to build SaaS products today. Here's a sneak peek of what you are going to build in this course. All the fundamental skills that you will learn to build this can be transferable to just about any type of SaaS product that you want to create. So we're creating TweetGen AI, which is an AI app that allows us to generate tweets using OpenAI's API. We also can enable live search using the OpenAI endpoint. We can have users set a brand, voice, and then save tweets as well. We have a credit system, and then users can subscribe using Stripe. And all of that is tracked through our backend Supabase database, along with user authentication. Whether you've tried AI coding tools before and haven't gotten very far, or you feel stuck on the sideline seeing everyone else building awesome products with AI, this course is for you, and it is going to help you take your SaaS product idea to life. The world of AI is changing quickly, and there's never been a better time to learn how to use these tools to turn your products into reality. I'll see you inside the course.